Like my hair? Okay, so ignore my hair. Anyway, so I'm a little annoyed right now. I got the leather kit and the leather punches and everything that I've been waiting for. And they sent me the wrong type of leather. Like, why would you? Okay, let me show you. Let me just turn you around for a minute. Hold on. Oh, okay. Okay, hi. Okay. Why would you sell me these type of things? Look. I don't know if I can show you. Okay, there it goes. You guys see it? Okay. So, alright, first let me start out. Awesome, I love these. Like, nothing's wrong with these, okay? Even comes with a little hammer. So there must be like 20 of these. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So there's 20 of these, which is great. 20 stamps and a little tiny hammer. That's awesome. You know, nothing wrong with that, okay? And when I was younger, these are the exact same stamps that I had. Almost all of them were the exact. But anyway, they're just not the same quality. You know what I'm saying? And of course, 1970s quality for these type of stamps were way higher. They're a little lighter, and they're just not the same quality. I mean, look at that flower. Okay. Also, you know how Amazon's always like, if you're going to buy this, buy these two other things too, because people always buy these two things together. So, of course, I bought this little sewing kit that goes with leather, and it's really, really cool. I'm super happy about this also. Oh, by the way, let me restate. I'm super happy with these stamps and this little hammer. It's got like a little, maybe a resin side and more of a rubbery side, but it don't matter. And like these are cool too, man. It's got like different color threads. It's even got these a whole bunch of like needles to sew with. Has a measuring tool. It's got a little leather string scissors that's kind of cool. And what I really like, besides the whole punch it comes with, are these little things you put in. They're basically leather sewing thimbles. It's a thimble basically, and they give you two. I think one might be for your thumb, and one's for your finger. So, all right. I'm not gonna push them on, but anyway, you get the idea. And let me see. Let me take all this apart. So yeah, it comes with these two. It comes with 4 different color threads. It comes with this thing of needles, and also a needle repair kit to, you know, I mean, and the case is a nice little. It's a hard case with a zipper and everything. It's very, very cute. I like it. Okay, that's not the problem. The problem is the leather they told me to get to go with this. Okay, my hair really looks crazy. I gotta take it down. All right, the leather they told me to get. It was like, 3 pounds of different color you know, and it was like scraps that, you know, you can work with it, right? And I'm like, cool, I can make like maybe little wallets, maybe keychains, maybe, you know, lots of little things, maybe even tiny little pocketbooks, like a little, okay. So I'll show you the ends. Like, so it comes with some orange, reddish, black, brown, white, a gray, like nice colors, right? But look at this. They're all textured. You can't stamp on textured leather. Like, that's not, why would you, every one of them's got a different, like, this is a nice soft leather. This one's a little harder, right? This one's a little harder too. This one's a nice soft, like, look at this red one too. It's like a nice piece, right? Like, you gotta be kidding me, right? Like, why would you, I'm so pissed off right now. Why would you on Amazon say, buy these strips along with these stamps and that kit? I could see getting it with that kit, sure, like, because you could sew it, make things like that, you know. You can't use these stamps on that fucking leather, man. Oh, I'm so pissed off. So now I'm going to have to go back on Amazon, or maybe, oh, sorry, the microphone was on those. Or I'm going to have to go somewhere else or something and find, because the leather that I purchased when I saw the pictures was the correct leather. It was flat. There was no texture to it, nothing like that. So the picture was not what I purchased. So I either send it back or just buy another. I mean, it wasn't that much money for all this. It's just that I was really, really excited about using the stamps. Anyway, yeah. And, thanks a lot. This brand. I'm so mad, man. I'm just so... I really couldn't wait to try out these stamps. Why do I keep grabbing that same stamp? But, again, these are pretty cool, because, like, I had that butterfly. And I remember... Just a second. I remember these two. This one's cool because it softened, like if you were to make a circle, it would soften the edges to make it three-dimensional, you know, on, ooh, the shell. And, okay, this one, this one, there's a couple that I do not recognize. But these I do. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's not showing up. It's this little circle. This is like a little... Okay, anyway. And these little things. I just love it because I really was excited about banging some leather. My husband's like, you can bang this, just hit harder. Hit as hard as you can. Yeah, take the hammer and hit it really hard. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, terrible, by the way. Just to let you know, some family stuff's happening, so I might not be available for a little bit. But I wanted to make this video real quick on this leather thing because I told you I was going to get it on Thursday. But yeah, I don't want to talk about it right now, but it's pretty bad. So anyway, yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.